Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so one thing we can do is we can actually change the width of the table here. And how do we do that? Well, it's actually quite simple. What we're going to do is we're just going to type in width, and we're going to type in 100 pixels, okay? And if we look at this, the width is a lot bigger now. So if we can change it to 200, the width is bigger, 400, etc. Now, this is kind of neat because the tables are now just bigger. That's all. It doesn't matter what we put in them. It just matters, for example, I can put a whole bunch of ones in here, right? And as you can see, it gets formatted proportionately. Basically, this just ends up making the width of the table a lot bigger. All right? And as you can see, even though it's still right, what it is that if we go ahead and just take this away, and instead of right we put center, there we go. We can actually change the width of the table. And that's another one of those properties that you can add that's outside of the style points. All right, I'll see you guys next time.